In 5.3, we're going to work on different ways to factor quadratics, and we're going to solve quadratics by factoring. Now, there's a few different ways. We have our greatest common factor. We also use reverse FOIL. We can also factor using a difference of two squares. It's kind of a special case right there. That's what we're going to work on in this part of 5.3. When we're factoring using GCF, we're looking for our greatest common factor. So the largest number we can factor out of both, most variables we can factor out of both. Sometimes we have more than one variable. A lot of times we're just dealing with one variable though. So for this one, I can factor out a 4 from both 4 and 16. I can also factor out an x from both x squared and x. And what I'm left with is, well, an x minus, and then 16 divided by 4 is 4, x divided by x, it goes away. Here's my final answer for my factoring. Why don't you try that one over here and then hit play when you're ready. Both of these can be divided by 5 as well as x, so there's my GCF. And then I'm left with, well, 10 divided by 5 is 2, x squared divided by x is x, minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, x divided by x, it's gone. So there's my final factored form. A little bit more with GCF. Here I have 3 times x minus 5 plus x times x minus 5. Well, now my GCF looks a little bit funky, but my GCF is actually what's in parentheses here, because both of these have an x minus 5. So if I pull that out, x minus 5, I'm left with, well, 3 plus x. There we go. So that GCF is right here. It's kind of like when we were pulling out the 4x or the 5x in the last one. Let's try that again here. This time I have x minus 8 and x minus 8. So when I pull those both out, I'm going to have x minus 8 times, and I'm going to have 3x plus the 5. So my leftovers right here and right here. Excellent.